Did you know that certain delicious foods can naturally help lower your blood pressure? Stay tuned as we explore 15 tasty options that could make a real difference in your heart health. Berries, blueberries, and strawberries contain anthocyanins. These are antioxidants that help reduce blood pressure by improving blood vessel function and reducing inflammation. Bananas are rich in potassium. This mineral helps balance sodium levels in the body, reducing tension in blood vessel walls and lowering blood pressure. Beets are high in dietary nitrates. These compounds help relax blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids. These plant-based compounds help improve blood vessel function and reduce blood pressure. Kiwis are packed with vitamin C and potassium. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that protects blood vessels, while potassium helps regulate blood pressure. Watermelon is a good source of citrulline. This amino acid helps produce nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow. Oats contain beta-glucan fiber. This type of fiber helps reduce cholesterol levels and improve heart health, which can lower blood pressure. Leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale are rich in nitrates. Similar to beets, these nitrates help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Garlic contains allicin. This compound helps increase the production of nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels and lowers blood pressure. Fermented foods like yogurt and kimchi are full of probiotics. These beneficial bacteria help maintain a healthy gut microbiome, which can positively affect blood pressure. Lentils and other pulses are high in protein and fiber. These nutrients help manage blood pressure by improving heart health and reducing cholesterol levels. Natural yogurt provides calcium and probiotics. Calcium helps regulate blood pressure, while probiotics support a healthy gut. Pomegranates are rich in polyphenols. These antioxidants help reduce blood pressure by improving blood vessel function. Cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde. This compound helps relax blood vessels and reduce blood pressure. Nuts, like almonds and pistachios, are packed with healthy fats and magnesium. These nutrients help improve heart health and reduce blood pressure. Now that you know these 15 delicious foods that can help manage high blood pressure naturally, why not try incorporating some into your diet? Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Like and subscribe for more health tips, and let us know in the comments which of these foods you'll be trying first.